Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you one of my favorite stretching routines for the upper body. So if you're looking to increase your flexibility in your upper body, then stick around because I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Easy to follow, easy to do, you don't need any equipment, just a floor and willingness to do it. So first exercise, we're going to position ourselves behind of the mat if you have one. If you don't have, that's totally fine. Keeping your legs completely straight, knees locked, we're gonna go into a push-up position. From there, we're gonna go into a cobra stretch or cobra pose, back into the stretching position, keeping the legs straight, up. Yeah, I'm gonna do this 3 times. Legs completely straight, do a hip hinge, feel a good stretch in your hamstring as well. Yeah, this is a really good way to start, kind of like a full body stretch. And it's a good way to warm up and everything. Legs straight, that's very important. Yeah, or you can even do like that. You can look over your shoulder. And back down. Okay, so I believe when it comes to upper body, you should definitely look after your upper back and your lower back, because everything starts from there, okay? You're gonna go into the all fours position, keeping your arms completely straight. You're gonna squeeze the shoulder blades together, and then you're gonna round the upper back. Okay, and again, squeeze the shoulder blades together. Try not to bend your elbows, and around the upper back. Shoulder blades together. Yeah, around the upper back. Not the lower back, the upper back. We're gonna get to the lower back as well, so don't worry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your neck straight as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that was the upper back. Now we're gonna go to the lower back, and we're gonna really round the back and arch. As you can see, now I'm moving my neck as well a little bit more. And arch. And arch one more time. And arch. Okay, now we're going to put our hips on our ankles, and we're going to go into the child's pose. Keep your feet together and your knees together, and just slide forward. Sorry, the fly is attacking me. Gotta defend myself somehow. Okay, now from this position with both hands, go on one side, I'll show you the other side, until you feel a stretch in your lats. Okay, other side. Okay, now we're going to keep your heels together, but you open the knees slightly, and you go into a deeper child's pose, basically. Okay, after you do this, you have to go in this position where you put one knee close to you, one elbow close to your knee, okay, and the other hand goes behind you. So from there, I want you to point the elbow towards the floor, and then twist elbow towards the ceiling. Floor, ceiling. Floor, ceiling, or sky in my case. Okay, other side. Okay, next one. One hand goes forward, the other one goes under. And we're going to stretch our rear delts and upper back. Okay, other side. Okay. Now we're gonna go back on the kneeling position. We're gonna go back into the child's pose, but I want you to put one hand on top of each other. I'm gonna like put some pressure on the hands. Okay, other side. Okay, back in the middle, and from here we're gonna go into the cobra pose. Look over your shoulder. Yeah, we've done this in the beginning, but it's an important stretch, so we're gonna do it again. Okay, now hands to the side, and we're gonna do like a kind of like a half push-up, and then try to twist on one side until you feel a stretch in your shoulder and a little bit in your chest area as well. The other side, because my chest is my shoulders and my chest are a little bit sore, you can actually really feel this stretch and how effective it is. Okay, now palms facing that way. We're gonna go from one side to another, and this one will stretch our forearms and our biceps a little bit. Okay, now we turn the other way around. Okay, now we're going to do a rear delt stretch again. Other side. So with this routine, we're pretty much trying to hit all the muscle groups, especially the ones in the back, lower back, because those are the ones which are stressed the most. Okay, now triceps. Okay, now hands together. So you're gonna round your upper back. I can show you from the side. Okay, and from the same position, I want you to kind of push your shoulder forward and skipping at the same time while keeping your upper back rounded. And you're gonna pull everything that way. Okay, other side. Now hands up. And lean on the side. Other side. Okay, now one hand goes behind your back and you pull the head on one side. And then slightly forward. Good, other side. Then slightly forward. Now with 2 fingers. Okay, so we're gonna finish up with 3 deep breaths. You can shake your hands a little bit, shake your legs. From here, we're gonna take a deep breath. Hold it 2 seconds and exhale out. And up again. And exhale. And last one. Okay, slowly come up. Shake your legs, shake your hands one more time. So yeah, guys, this can be done by everyone. It can be done every single day, a couple of times a week, but I suggest you don't skip your stretching, your upper body, your lower body, because the lifestyles we have nowadays, it impacts on our posture quite a lot, on our muscles, on our lifestyle in general. So you gotta make sure you stretch, you gotta make sure you look after your body, because it will thank you as you get older and more problems appear. So it's kind of easier to manage those situations. And yeah, if you have any questions, as always, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm happy to help you with your fitness problems. And as always, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't, and I shall see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.